Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut brittle at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 1 cup of raw peanuts, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Before we start cooking, make sure to prepare your baking sheet by greasing it well or lining it with parchment paper. This preparation is key for easy removal later. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat until all the sugar has dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Keep a close eye on your candy thermometer. We're aiming for exactly 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Precision here ensures perfect brittle. As soon as your sugar mixture hits 295 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add the star ingredient, your 1 cup of raw peanuts. Stir them in quickly, then continue cooking and stirring until the thermometer reads 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for that perfect brittle snap. Immediately remove the pan from the heat and stir in the 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The baking soda creates tiny air bubbles, giving your brittle that signature light and crispy texture. The final steps are quick and satisfying. Immediately pour the hot, bubbly brittle mixture onto your greased or parchment-lined baking sheet. Work quickly to spread it as thinly and evenly as possible using a heat-resistant spatula or the back of a spoon. Now comes the hardest part. Patience. Let the brittle cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour, allowing it to harden. Once firm, simply break it into delicious, irregular pieces. Enjoy your homemade peanut brittle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.